Okay, I have a Marks KIK inside this little rim cylinder. This is just a housing that I can slip KIKs into to make it easier to picking. There's the bitting on the key. Kind of fun Marks bitting. Lock works good. And I'm going to try to pick it. So let's going to go top of the keyway. Going to go counterclockwise, and I'm going to try to get this bad boy open with this pick. It's a standard hook looking thing that I made. So number 6, I immediately got a little turn on the core there. Alright, clicky clicky. 3, 2, it's 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 'Getting all kinds of clickety clickities in here, man. Oh, there's 4, 3, or that was 2 actually. A nice false set there. Getting some counter rotation, but it's really tough, so I don't want to overset anything. One is freaky. Might have overset that, but we'll remedy that. And I got my false set back. Two's like a gatekeeper in this thing, I think. Getting false sets and losing them and getting them back, and tells me there's a lot of serrated and spoolie stuff going on in here. Tough little lock, man. I'm at 4 minutes and come on now. Starting to panic because I'm not getting it here. Coming up on 5 minutes. I'm just starting to really overset these pins. See? It's all about patience, man, which I have none, so. Oh. This is a video on how not to pick a lock. but there's so many strong springs in here and wicked serrations. Wow. This might be a two-parter. Oh, and he gets it. Alright, we're at 550, so I'm gonna take this off here. I'm gonna take the camera. Sorry about the squigglies. I'm gonna back this off, bring the tray around, and undo this. Man, gotta keep this under 10 minutes, man. Alright, so I'm going to take the KIK on. I'm going to get rid of this. I got a key, so if I lock it back up, which would be easier to get this clip off. Got the clip, got the clip. Bang! Alright, so it's I'm way out of camera angle, huh? I just set the camera down on the table, so alright. There we go. I'll move this over. There's the pins. They're all working. Alright, this one is serrated. 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 Now the plug is all threaded. I don't know if I have lighting to let you see that, but anyway, it's all serrated, and we'll take a closer look at the pins in a minute. But gonna pop the Bible here. Big long serrated spool, or serrated top pin. Serrated double spool. Serrated double spool. Wicked looking serrated pin. Nasty spool. And then a serrated pin. Turn these around, get them close together. Alright, so I'm going to lift this camera up so you can get a good look at these pins. Alright, so see this key pins and everything serrated in the first one, and then look at that nasty spool. The top pins are all serrated. That spool is really deep in chamber 5, and then 6, nasty looking key pin there that's kind of cut down at the top. So that's what we have in that lock, man. So it was a tough one, but we got it. It's 9:23. Rock on, under 10 minutes. Thank you. Come again.